Another process of the banga. You see, you pour it here, you pour it. This is another process of making banga. The process of making oil. If I video her now, she start crying. I'm not videoing you.
She start crying.
She don't want her face to show.
My face.
Yeah, Jesse, I saw her. Okay,
my shoe they shine. Everybody like I go up and down. Anybody like I go up and down.
Now it's done like this. The second process, the third process is this now. You bring it down.
For what? Now you have work with that.
My phone.
My excuse. Between them for us. Toy. Touch, mama, touch, mama, touch. Touch.
The next step is to start picking it. Pick out the pan kernel. Pick it out. I just took out. I just essential like that. Mommy. Really? Okay. My mother say you are not going to pick it out, you're just going to put it inside water and wash it out. So how will the oil now come out?
Oil will come for front.
Can you imagine?
Put it for fire.
It will sediment. Have you seen the process of making this one? Because the palm fruit is so tiny, so there's no how we are going to pick it out. So soak all of them in water. You see the process. Wow. Have you seen it? Because shall I stand up? Let me just sit down. Wow. So this is the next step. Because the palm fruit is too tiny, so we have to start washing directly with the water.
Wash it well. Wash it. Let it be.
Okay, my sister said this type of palm fruit is called osoko. So osoko is so tiny that you cannot pick it because it's so tiny and plenty. So to make everything faster, because time is everything, you have to save your time. So you have to soak all of them in water and start washing it out so that it will be a bit faster. Here we don't use a machine to mill the oil, where this is naturally milled oil that is very, very natural and it's very tasty. This type of oil, even if it stays in the next 4 years, it won't have any odor because it's milled naturally with bare hands. It's not with engine. It's not with engine.
I'm sitting, I'm standing. So look, that's stick.
Neighbor, don't bring water for.
J-boy, come bring the coffee. This for drinking.
No, we put here.
Okay, this is another step now. Now washing the avon. We call this chaff now. We call it avon. Okay, just you want to put water. Where do you want to put the water? Okay, pour it so that you wash it out again. You see, I'm putting water in the chaff again. This chaff that is removed. Wow.
Looks like
Okay, Mama will pour the kernel here. Then the kernel will be rinsed for the second time. Wow. Remove your leg from there. Wow. See, two-step process. Two-step process. Two-step.
they wash it well. They will wash it well and close your mouth. Look at how they're washing it. Look at how my grandma is washing it. Look at how my grandma is doing it.
Separate here from where?
Separate. Oh, from there. My dear. What are you learning? What are you learning?
By that time, I've moved
This kind of life. Oh, fuck.
See how they're washing it from here to go here, from here now come to the pan kernel. See how tiny the pan kernel is, very tiny. See that? The pan kernel. Just go and spread that to the pan kernel. Spread it out. Which are you done with that one? Wow. Well done, well done, well done, well done.
Well done.
Mommy, so you missed this one now. You missed this one with this one.
Well done, well done, well done.
I'm trying to walk like that. He will have. Okay.
See, look.
Mommy, so from here now, what's the next thing to do? You did with them boba. You with them boba.
Oba. Hey, want to do that?
We are going to the next step. Oh. This next step now. This is what we call the mboba. Mboba. We use this in mboba now. To whisk it severally. Okay. My mom is trying to prepare to whisk this oil now. Okay, well, this is the next step with mboba. This is the most heaviest oil so far. With this oil, this method of processing this oil, it can stay more than 3 years without more than 3 years. So if you want this oil, you can start placing your order. We make the most heaviest oil so far. Very healthy oil. Very, very healthy red oil. This is my mom. She's the one that is doing it. Kata. The one that is processing it. Mama, well done. Oh, God bless you for processing this beautiful oil. Fine oil. Very tasty. This is the next step, okay? You see my sister trying to gather the oil. After this one now, after gathering it in the pot, you cook it. Have you seen the normal process of making oil without milling it?
That is
Are you seeing it? This is naturally made, not sweet, not milled. Wow. Best healthy oil from Imo State.
Post it online.
I'm not posting it now.
Post it online.
Wow, well done, well done, well done.
Well done. God bless you.
I bet you have to move and come out. I'm going to tell you. Where you see?
Are you seeing it? You see the process of cooking the soil. Are you seeing it? They're gathering it naturally. Naturally. Oh my God. So now you are going to cook this. You cook it until the oil comes out. mixing now, but wala koto for that. Koto. Anyway. Ah, keswa jaja. Oh, swalaja. Oh, but I'm pro lab.
Oh, well, this is the phone.
Oh, but I'm pro lab. Koto. Oh, swajaja. Where? You see how the oil is boiling? Guess what? Didn't jaja? When you have to have a photo, finish. It will continue boiling until all the water in the pot dry. All the water will dry. It will continue boiling vigorously like this until the water will dry. When the water dry, then you separate it. Only the oil will be inside the pot. Then all the water will dry up. You see it back? See how it's boiling vigorously. This is the actual process and step how we make original healthy oil, enriched with vitamin A, enriched with so many nutrients, especially vitamin A. This is very, very good. Yeah, this is the oil. This is boiled like how many minutes? It reach 1 hour. It did not reach 1 hour. So finally, look at the oil. Now, look at the sediments. Let me turn it now. Ojok. The process of filtration. The process of filtering the oil. You see how we are filtering the oil. Look at the sediments. We filter the oil. This is original oil. How we filter it. See that? Filter it. Filter all of them. That is just it. Wow, this is very good. So this is a very simple way how we produce original oil.